So we will have 1 upon 2 limit s tends to infinity log 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon s square minus log s square upon s square plus 1. So we will have 1 upon 2 log 1 minus log s square upon s square plus 1. So finally Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we take this minus commonly here. 1 upon 2 log s square upon s square plus 1. So this is the given result. We are coming to next example. Next example is evaluate the Laplace transform of e to the power t sin t upon t. To find the solution of this, we use multiple properties. Solution: we know that Laplace transform of sin t is equal to 1 upon s square plus 1 using divide by t property. So first we using divide by t property, we will get Laplace transform of s sin t upon t is equal to integral from s to infinity 1 upon s square plus 1 ds. So this is equal to tan inverse. So if we get the integration from s to infinity, so it will become tan inverse s from s to infinity. So this value, if we put these two values in here, so we will get pi upon 2 minus tan inverse s using shifting property. By shifting property, we will have Laplace transform of e to the power minus t sin t upon t is equal to pi upon 2 minus tan inverse s plus 1. So this is the final solution of this Laplace transform.